after I reconcile with the Best Pills, aka Arnel Guerrero Castillo. But at this time, I reconcile with Teacher May Tiburcio. Thanks to Midnight 123, who is my American friend, TikTok content creator, who was a Trump supporter or Duterte supporter, and even Kathleen Canete, who helped me to reconcile with Teacher May Tiburcio. But for me, I already apologized to her. What I made lots of mistakes. Because me, I'm also a bully in social media, and I should change myself. As perhaps I should never be a bully. As you know, guys, I know is teacher Mate Borsho who gave me a T-shirt of color red last 2015. Because last 2015 in Christmas party when I was 18 years old at the time. Because I know I just hide my red T-shirt. That Kuya Kopio will never see my red T-shirt. Because I hide it, because he will claim me I'm a BBM supporter. Oh, I am not a BBM supporter. I'm not a Marcos loyalist anymore. Because like I said before, I know the time that during the time of Teacher May Tiburcio, after my birthday last 2018, I didn't celebrate my birthday in school. She gave me a gift I know, I just wanna thanks to her. Oh, and even not just even that. Oh, I didn't celebrate my birthday in my school in CDIFI. When I celebrate my birthday there in Hyatt, in cafe with my family. Oh, I celebrate my birthday second time. Oh, but Teacher May gave me a gift also during my birthday. Oh, but during the time in 2018 and 2019. And also, Teacher May reminds me, during the last Christmas party, when I was in Japan in 2019, when I was in Osaka, Teacher May says to me, here's the gift from Apple Alday when you were not there in CDIFI in the Christmas party. But I thanks to Teacher May Tiburcio and even Apple Alday. I said, oh, thank you. I say to Apple Alday because I have no comment about Apple. O magpapasalamat ako kay Apple. She gave me a gift during in a Christmas party. Oh, but I didn't attend Christmas party. Oh, just like I said before, I don't want to bully anyone. But I apologize, Teacher May Tiburcio, sincerely. I reconcile with her. Because like reconciliation, there will be a reconciliation. Oh, the time last 2021, I reconcile with JD Biniegas and Luis Cabales. Oh, the time in 2021 and 2025, the incident of Teacher Vincent Ramos, I reconcile with Teacher Vincent Ramos. Oh, in 2021 and also 2023. Oh, but in 2024, I reconcile Teacher Gio Malana. Oh, and I reconcile with Teacher Gio. Oh, I know this is hard to say, guys. I don't want too much enemies. Because this Paulo Cruzada had already apologized to Teacher Marvel sincerely. He will never harass anyone. You know, for me, guys, I don't want to bully anyone. Because I know it's Teacher May Tiburcio. Oh, she went there in Taiwan. Oh, my mom likes the post of Teacher May. Oh, I know this is really hurt when I bully her, and I know you're very sick. I know you are very healthy. You went there in Taiwan. I know you are a cat lover and you take care with your pet cat of Isabella. That was your niece, even your nephew Rafael. I know this is really hurt to her own family and to her own relatives, because I know this is really hurt, because I don't want too much bullies.